Hello everyone. In this video, we will be reviewing the Moca project, which is Coinlist's new presale. Let's get started. On Coinlist, I visited Moca's page to see the details of the presale. I'm examining the project. Here's a description. Moca encompasses 3 pillars of growth, culture, and governance, serving as a utility and governance token within the network. The Moca network regulates incentives for all participants to facilitate the growth and scalability of the network. As more active users join the network, a network effect is created for all participants to benefit from. There's a lot of detail about Moca on the Coinlist page. It seems like a truly unique project. For all other details, you can check out this page. Now, let's look at the sale details. The token amount prepared for this presale is approximately 126 million. The token will be sold at a price of $0.039. The distribution is a bit different. A 5% will be allocated in May, followed by a 3-month gap period. After this period, a distribution process lasting 52 weeks will begin. The minimum purchase amount is $100. We will need to use USDC and USDT for purchases. Additionally, for this presale, we need a Moca ID. This ID will be associated only with a Coinlist account. Otherwise, users will be disqualified. Look, there are other details regarding whales here. You can explore these and similar pieces of information in detail. The sale started on April 25th and will continue until May 2nd. Refunds will be issued to those who did not win in the lottery on May 7th. Around May 24th, the first token distribution will begin. Now I want to click on the Join Now button. Then I click on the I Accept button. I continue by clicking Continue. Now I need a Moca ID. For this, I need to log in. There are many options on the login page. You can choose MetaMask. After logging in, create a username. I choose the name Tionmir. Then I click the Authorize App button and proceed to the purchase page. You already know this page. You need to enter the amount you want to purchase in this area. Of course, you must have assets in your Coinlist account in USDT or USDC. You can make a minimum purchase of $100. After entering the amount you want, you can join the sale by clicking the Continue button. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.